Hello friends, welcome to the tutorial series on making of a hungry shark game in Scratch. So we are in the part 2 tutorial here. So if you are new to this tutorial, please go to part 1 and come back to this video later. And for rest of us, let's start. So last time we made the hungry shark and we were able to make the mechanism to move our hungry shark, or make the hungry shark swim around the ocean. And today we are going to make different fishes that go here and there around the screen, and the hungry shark will eat those fishes. So let's start. First of all, let's choose a sprite. We are going to choose a fish. First of all, let's choose this fish. Okay, now the fish is a little bit very larger than the shark, so let me just resize it to 50. And this is our little fish, and we are going to make it swim from this direction to this direction. For that, let's go to the events menu, drag when green flag, click block, and after that let's drag a go to XY block. And before that, let's me drag this piece right around this place, so this will be the starting position of our fish. So let's drag the go to XY block like this. So the X position is minus 250 and Y position is 1. And next let's drag a forever loop. Go to control and then drag a forever loop. And next we are going to create a clone of this fish. So we are going to create a different clone of the fishes. For that, let's go to the control menu downwards, and there is a create a clone of myself. Drag it here, and next let's go to control menu again and drag a wait block here, and we are going to wait for random amount of time. So for that, let's go to operators menu, drag a pick a random number block, and we are going to wait for about random second from 1 to 3 seconds. And after that, let's go to the control block again downwards and drag a when I start as a clone. So when the other fishes start as a clone, then we need to make them go somewhere. So let me just separate this forever loop like here, and let me drag this go to XY block right around here and connect this forever loop with the when green flag click block like this. And after the fishes or the fish has been cloned, then we just drag the go to XY block like this. So when the fish starts as a clone, it will go to minus 50 and 1 position, this place. And after that, we are going to randomize the Y position from year to year, so that the fishes can arrive from any position from this vertical direction. So let's do that. So let's see what is the position of Y here. So it's about 171. So let's start from here, 157. Okay. For that, let's go to the operator menu again and drag a pick a random number block like this, and we are going to change pick random number of Y from year to year, and that's about 150 to minus 150. So from minus 150 to 150, the position of Y will be different. for each fish. And after that we are going to move the fish like this way. So for that let's go to control menu again, and next let's drag down here. There is something called repeat until block. We are going to drag this block, and after that we are going to change we go to the motions menu, go downwards, and we are going to change the Y position. So to go from here to here we have to change the Y position. Look here, yeah, it changes. So for that we are going to change it by 5, and then after that we are going to put something here. For that let's drag an operator menu and drag a greater than operator like this. So if we look at the position of the fish, Y position of the fish, it keeps on increasing up to this place. Let's make it up to this place, 240. So for that let's go to the motions menu, go downwards and drag a Y position block like this, and we are going to compare it with 240 and drag this whole operator inside the repeat until operator like this. So now what happens is when the fish starts as a clone, it goes to some random place around this edge, the left edge, and then after that it starts going towards the right side of the screen until its X position becomes greater than 240, and then after that it goes out of the loop. That means it has reached this edge. Then after that we go to control menu again, go downwards, and then delete the clone of the fish because it has already gone out of the screen. Then we have to delete the clone, and that's how we make the fish and the fish clone. Now let's see if it works or not. Let me click in the green flag. Now the fish is going, other fish is going like this, and that's how it works. Yeah, it's going and it disappears in this phase. And after that let's change the different costumes of the fish. So as we go to the costumes, we have about 4 different costumes. So let's change it randomly. For that we go to the looks menu and drag a switch costume block right above the repeat until block like this, and we drag an operator menu, go to operator menu and drag a pick a random number block inside here, and we know that costume number is 1 to 4, so that we just make it pick a random number from 1 to 4. So every time the fish clone is made, they are going to pick random number. Let's see, one fish, another fish in random fashion. Yeah, this fish and another one like this. And one thing you notice is this fish is just static. Yeah, so this is the main fish. Let's just hide this fish. For that we go to the looks menu, go downwards and drag a hide menu right above the forever loop like this. And if we have hidden the fish, then we have to show the fish also. So in here we have to show it. So let's drag the show fish block right below the go to XY block like this, and let's see, click in the green flag, and now our main fish has disappeared and we can see other clone fishes that swim in through different positions. And that's it. Next let's make another fish. Let's just duplicate this fish and make another fish go from this direction to this direction, from from right side to left side. So let me just duplicate this fish, and after that let's just show this fish for now. So it's pointing in this direction, but we want to point in the left direction. For that, let's just rotate the fish like this in -90, like this, but it's upside down. Let's fix that also. You can click this and it has fixed. Yeah. Next, for this fish too, we have to change a little bit of something. So everything is same here, but here we have to do another thing. For that, let's see which position we are in first. So they will start here in this position. That means Y position will be 234. For that, let's go to the motion menu and drag a go to XY block like this, and instead of this we will need a pick random number block. Let's do this and drag the go to XY block here. Next, pick random number is same because we are going to change pick random number from of Y position from -50 to +50, and after that let's join this one, and we have to also change the logic of this place. So let's take out this, and after that let's take out the X position also, and let me get another operator. Go to operators menu and get a less than operator and delete this guy, and now drag this X position here, and we are going to check here up to this place. So it's about -236. Now let's drag this guy in the repeat until block like this. And next one thing is we have to change the Y position by -5 because it's decreasing. If you see, the position is 162, and if I just drag it around here, it's -104, means it is decreasing. That's why we change it by -5, and after that I think this fish will go from this direction to this direction. Let's see. Click on the green flag and look. So in random fashion the fishes are going from right to left, left to right, like this. So these two fishes will be eaten by the shark. And next, let's make other fishes that if shark eats, that would be a poisonous fish. The health is going to decrease. So for that, let me stop it. Go to choose the sprite option and search for fish again, and this one fish, puffer fish. So the puffer fish, we are going to make this fish go from the up direction to down direction. So let me just change the size of the puffer fish. It's too large. Let me make it 50. Yeah, and let's do the same thing. Let's just grab some codes from here, from fish 2. We can use this code for puffer fish as well. Yeah, when we click the green flag, the main character hides. Next, it creates a clone of itself, and it waits for about random amount of time to create another clone. Next, let's go to fish 2 and also drag this one also here, but we need to change a lot of logic inside here. First of all, we need to change the go to XY block. So let's put the fish in the top place like this, the starting place, and go to the motion menu, and then drag a go to XY block here, and this time our Y position will be same. Yeah, everywhere Y position will be 181, but we are going to change X position. So let's see from where to where we can change. So let's change from minus 222 to 222. So for that, we just pick a random block from this place to the go to XY position like this, and we are going to pick a random number from 222 to 222. So when the clone is created, so it will just pick a random number from random place from this place to this place, and the Y is going to be constant, the Y position. And next we can show the clone here, and next we cannot switch the costume because let's see the costume of pufferfish. So it has 4 different costumes and it's the same fish. So let's go back to code. So instead of switching costume, let me just delete this guy here. We are going to switch the costume inside this place, in the repeat place. And let's change the logic of repeat also. So instead of checking for Y position, we have to check for X position. So let me just delete this, and let's go to operator menu, drag. So once we go down, it decreases. Yeah, okay. Then we drag a less than operator inside here, and next let's go to motions menu and go downward and drag a Y position. So until the Y position, let me just drag it and see up to how much we can make it go up to this place, minus 174. Minus 174. So if the Y position becomes less than minus 74, we are going to delete the clone. So instead of changing Y, we are going to change X. Let me just delete this also and drag a change Y inside here. And if you see, if we go downwards and if you look at the Y position, it decreases. That means we need to decrease it, that give a minus value. Let's change it by minus 5, and that's it. Now let's see, click on the green flag. Yeah, the pufferfish is going downwards, but it's a little bit faster. Let's just make it slower, and let's make the costume also change. For that, let's go to the control menu first, drag a wet block below here. Let's just wait for 0.01 seconds, and next let's go to looks menu and drag a next costume block, and we can change the costume inside the repeat until block like this for this fish. And now let's see, click on the green flag. Now we can see it's changing costume also, and it's going downwards in a good pace. And next let's make another fish that goes from the downwards direction to upwards direction. So for that, let's choose another sprite, search for fish, and let's just use the jellyfish. Click on the jellyfish, and this guy is also too big. Let's make its size 50%. And next let's just copy all the codes from the puffer fish to jellyfish also. Drag this guy here inside jellyfish. Yeah, we have got the code, same thing. And next in the puffer fish, let's drag this guy also in here. Yeah, so when the jellyfish starts, the position should be a little bit different. So let's make the position of the jellyfish from this place. Yeah, so we have to change y position. So let's make the y position up to minus 194. So instead of 181 for puffer fish, for jellyfish we are going to use minus 194. So it starts from this bottom place and picks a random y position from here to here, minus 222 to 222, and next it shows up, and then we have to change this logic also. So instead of this one less than sign, we are going to use greater than sign. Let me just drag out the y position, delete this, go to operator menu and go to drag a greater than sign, next y position inside the left part, and then let's see up to how much we are going to use up to this place. That means up to 165. So when the y position is greater than 165, it will going to delete the clone, because it will just get out of the repeat block and delete the clone. Drag the whole operator inside the repeat block, and we need to change the logic. As we are going upward here, then we see the y change by positive sign. Yeah, that means we have to change by not 5, just 5, not minus 5. We are going to put plus 5, and that's it. Now let's see again. So we can see the jellyfish is going upward and puffer fish is going downward, and it's changing the costume also. Yeah, and next one we are going to make a bigger shark that will eat this hungry shark, this small shark. So for that, let's go to the sprite option again, and this time we are going to search for shark and this shark, click it, and this shark the size of the shark looks okay because it's going to eat this small shark. And next let's go to the events menu and drag when green flag, click block. And for this shark we are not going to make a clone, we are going to just make it go from this side to this side. Now for that, let's go to control menu and drag a forever loop, and let's drag this shark down here, so it will go from the left part to right part of the screen, and we will start from this place, X here, Y here. For that, go to motions menu and drag a go to XY block inside this place, inside the forever loop, so it will start here. And we are also going to randomize the Y position, so we might use from here to here. So for that, let's see, it's minus 155. We can choose from 150, minus 150 to 150. So for that, let's go to operator menu and drag a pick a random number block inside the Y position, and we are going to choose from minus 150 position to 150 for Y. And next let's go to control menu and drag the same repeat until block inside this place like this, and then we are going to check if the shark position is up to here. That means the Y position is 323. For that, let's go to operator menu and drag the greater than operator like this and go to motions menu, go downwards and drag a Y position operator inside the left part of the greater than operator, and then we are going to check if it's greater than 323 or not. So if the Y position becomes greater than 323, it will get out of the repeat until loop. Now let's drag this whole operator inside the repeat until block like this, and after that we are going to change the X position for shark. So the X position keeps on changing. So for that, let's go to motions menu and drag a change X by 10 block inside the repeat until block, and we are just going to change it by 5. And after, if its position is becomes greater than 323x position, then it will get out of the loop and automatically go backwards and go to this place, the left part of the screen, and choose the random Y position from here to here and repeat out. So let's see if the shark moves or not. Click on the green flag. Yeah, the shark is moving and it goes out here, and after that it comes back again. Yeah, and next let's stop it. So the shark is the very dangerous shark. It will eat the smaller shark, so let's make it wait for a little bit amount of time before it comes back up again from this place. So for that, let's go to the control menu and drag a wait block and below the repeat until block like this, and we are going to wait for random amount of time. For that, go to operators menu and then pick a random number block from 3 to 5 like this. So now let's see. Click on the green flag. The one shark goes down, waits for random amount of time, it comes back again, and if you see here, it's just stock like this. So let's fix this also. For that, let's just hide it right around this place. For that, go to looks menu, go downwards and drag a hide block right below the repeat until block like this, and if we are hiding here, we have to show in the top place also. Drag a show block in the top part here. Now let's see. Drag a when green flag click block goes here and it's gone, and next time it comes back from here. And that's how we create different fishes. And let's just make it these fishes also slow down a little bit. They are coming very fast, especially the puffer fish and the jellyfish, because if the hungry shark eats these fishes, the health of the hungry shark is going to be decreased. That's why let's make them appear a little bit less. For that, we go to the puffer fish, and instead of waiting from, let's make it wait from 2 seconds to 4 seconds. And for the jellyfish also do the same thing, from 2 seconds to 4 seconds. Now let's see. Click on the green flag and we can see it is a lot less now. And that's how we make the fishes go here and there in the Hungry Shark game. And thank you guys for watching the tutorial, and I will see you in the next tutorial. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.